Did y'all see the episode when the chick was laying in the bed with the skillet plugged up and fried some chicken on her chest?
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wow.
She laying in the bed and she took one of them little skillets, electric skillets, and she plugged it up and put some grease in it. And he bought the flour and the seasoning. She seasoned the chicken up and plugged the skillet up. The skillet got hot on her chest. And she fried some leg quarters on her chest in the bed while she was in the bed. With the chicken on her chest. She fried. Hey, Roy, get on the FaceTime with me. Roy Peterson, send a request, man, where I can put you on the split screen with me. Since Jay won't come on here.
So shady.
Look at Kelly. Kelly, where you at? You downstairs watching it? She'd have got her ass on Facebook Live.
Come up here.
Why you leave out of here? She gonna go down in the basement and watch. What up, Pooh? Hey, y'all, Auntie Pooh said hello.
Hey.
Hey. Y'all so stupid. You didn't, Barbara, you didn't see the episode? Look, let me show y'all how she, let me show y'all just what she did. She was laying back in the bed. Hey, Roy. But big girl was laying in the bed like this, and she had that skillet, and she was frying chicken like this. It's done, bring me. Uh-huh.
That's not okay.
It is not okay.
Would you let your
It's a green plus, but I don't see it though. Ain't no green. It don't offer me that. Yeah, y'all need to pull up that episode if you have not seen it.
Kelly might know how to do it.
Oh no, she definitely don't know. She definitely don't know. Grayson. Grayson.